everyone. My name is Vivek Ragunshi. I am from Frutal India Private Limited. We are the exclusive partner of Kuvings juicer, cold press juicer in India, and I am here to demonstrate you about the product about our product, that is Kuvings REVO 830. So before we start, may I ask you some questions? Like it is your first product? If yes, then I would love to tell you about a bit about our product. So Kuvings is the South Korean brand, established in 1979. It has 54% of cold press juicer market globally. It shares actually 5 million of it sold 5 million uh, 5 million unit every year. And also Kuvings is the highest selling domestic cold press juicer in India, with 25,000 review from our happy customers. It ensures all the nutrients and the natural taste is retained in the juice. Also, it also ensures the extraction of the juice 10% more as compared to other products that are available in the market. So let me also tell you the reason why it has 10% more, because it has JMCS technology, which means it extract 10% more juice from the fruit as compared to others. It is scientifically also proved, and this technology is patented by the Kuvings company, and the full form of JMCS is Juice Module Comprising System. So now let's start the unboxing part, for which the most important things about the juicer is it helps to reduce your preparation time. Now I would like to explain you about the component of the juicer. The first one is the motor base, the main body. This is the main body of the juicer. Uh, it contains motor which produces the power required to operate the machine. Okay. Now the next one is the juicing bowl. This is the main character where the ingredients are processed and juice is prepared. Now next we have the dual feeding chute, this is the most interesting feature of the REVO 830, which means this has 88 meters wide chute that can uh, that can take larger ingredient, while the 43 narrow chute is useful for small shaped ingredient like carrot and calories. Okay. Now the next one we have the auger. The auger is the main pressing component of the juicer. The REVO 830 has an advanced auger with the automatic cutting mechanism. It helps in cutting the ingredient before slowly pressing them. The next one we have the juice strainer. The strainer separates the juice and the pulp and give us smoother juice. The next one we have the smart cap. It is attached on the juice bowl. And then we have the juice and pulp jars, as you can say. And also we have the cleaning tool as well. Along with the cleaning tool, it is used to clean the strainer within the 30 seconds under the water, and it also contains of a brush. So we have the installation and placement part. Before using the juicer, we should first place it properly. We have to place the juicer on a flat and stable surface. Okay. Now next we have the assembly process. Now I'll explain you about the how to do assembly. Okay. Now for the assembly, first we have to place the strainer inside the rotating wiper, then place the strainer wiper inside the bowl matching the red dot, then place our auger in the center and push the auger and rotate it surely. Rotate it gently, so it will make sure that the fitting is done. Now take the juicing lid and we have to take this juicing lid and match the red dot and place it. Now rotate it to the parallel side, to the locked side. We have the locked side here. Then when you have to rotate it to the safety lock mechanism is on. Now it is ready to start. Now for the use, we have the switches. We have the forward switch, neutral switch, and the reverse switch. Forward switch is used for operating the juicer of juicing. Then we have the neutral switch, it is for off, and we have the reverse switch. If some fruit gets stuck in the juice bowl, then we can operate the reverse. We can press the reverse key for the seconds, then it will turn reverse, so the ingredient that's stuck in the juicer, it will come out. And in this way we can operate our juicer. Now I have to tell what are the precautions that we should take uh, in putting the ingredients in the juicer. So we should not put the hard seeds into the juicer, and as well as the hard or inedible skins, like I would say we have the watermelon, and we should not put the outer layer of the watermelon in the juicer. Or like we have the jelly, we have the lychee, we should not put the outer layer of the lychee in the juicer. Then we have the frozen fruits or ice, we should not put the frozen fruit. We have to allow it to to make it soften, then we have to put the juicer. Then we should not put the item that contain vegetable and animal oil. And other than that, we should not put the coconut and the banana into the juicer. These are the following precautions that we have to take care of. Now now we learn how to use the juicer. Now I would tell you about the cleaning and maintenance part. There is a term quick rinsing, that to be done after every juicing session. So first step, what we have to uh, close the smart cap and fill 400 ml of water in the bowl. And then we have to on the forward switch button, let the machine run for 1 minute, and then open the smart cap and let the water go out. Repeat this process 1 or 2 times to make sure the uh, jar is totally clean. And for the cleaning of REVO 830 model, we have a special designed patent kit that will be patented by Kuvings itself. So we have to hold the cleaning kit like this, and insert our strainer into it, and rotate it 2 3 4 times under the water. Then all the pulp inside the strainer will get off. And then next, we can clean our that water body with the help of dry clothes, and we can both are over with the help of water or the brush that is given by the Kuvings inside the box. And this is the way you can clean. And make sure you should clean your juicer after every wash. And then we have so apart from that, I would love to tell you about that this machine have 3-in-1 functionality. This machine have 3-in-1 functionality. As I said about the 3-in-1 functionality, another great advantage of the cooling, it is another great advantage. Now with the appropriate standards, the machine can be used for different types of preparation. Like for juice, we have the different strainer. We have the for making of smoothies, we have the different strainer. With the smoothie attachment, we can prepare thick and healthy smoothies. And we have the sorbet attachment with it also. Frozen food can be used for prepare healthy frozen dessert. So with this additional accessories, the product can offer juice, smoothie, and sorbet preparation. Okay. Now we have the important points like important do's and don'ts. So always make sure the juicer is properly assembled before starting. Okay. Then wash fruits and vegetable before juicing. Add ingredient gradually. Clean the product after every use, and use the correct feeding chute according to the type of ingredient. And what don't we have to follow, that do not put your hand inside the feeding chute. Then do not overload the juicer. Do not force ingredient if they get stuck. Do not wash the mortar base with the water, and do not leave the pulp inside the machine for a long time after juicing. We have to clean it after every wash. Now let me tell you about the warranty registration. So sir, let me tell you about the warranty registration also. After the purchase product, I would also recommend you register your warranty. So you can visit the official Kuvings India website and go to the warranty registration, Kuvings India warranty registration. So you will need to enter the required product and customer detail and submit the form. The warranty team can vary depending on registration and current company policy. So the customer should always check the latest official warranty term at the time of registration. So closing. So to summarize, the Kuving REVO 830 designed to make the old pressing easier and more convenient. So also, ma'am, if you want to add that product like smoothie strainer and the sorbet strainer, you can go to the Kuvings website and order from there. If As you are a platinum customer, so if you want to pay, so let me know. I will help you with the promo code. I will generate a promo code for you. There you will get a good discount. So let me know whenever you want to pay something. And thank you. I hope you liked my demo.